we're in Spain and I'm driving down a road I don't know, and I can see a castle and a statue at the end. I'm just hoping there's a wave after it, because we're here based on rumours. Initial thoughts, it's a little bit smaller than we had hoped. It's a massive swell, but it's not quite pushing in, but we're hoping as the tide drops, as the swell continues to push in, that it comes alive.
No me leaving. Là-dedans, c'est trop beau les lumières.
Well, it was fun. There were definitely some good waves out there, but the crowd was gnarly. It was not just numbers, but like etiquette, just nothing. It was just like chaos. And you just had like kooks yelling at other kooks, and everyone was getting angry at each other. And then you had this like motorboat surfer out there that was just being, can't complain too much, can we? You. I'm just dropping all the footage from yesterday. There's a couple of good clips, but I also have to do a lot of work right now. There's an unprecedented level of email and work activity going on for us, so it's a good problem to have, but it does mean I have to keep up. When I'm overseas, like I'm always logging into all of my different websites and stuff, and obviously being out of Australia, which is my normal country, it sometimes triggers like security boot outs, and I can't log in. So I've been using the Surfshark VPN to just keep my location in Australia when appropriate. so that I can have a more like seamless workflow. It really helps out, especially with like banking and the Surfers roadmap and stuff like that. It's really good.
Since Surfshark sponsored a previous video of mine, I signed up for 2 years because it's been super helpful in not only maintaining my workflow, but also keeping me secure online. As I'm often changing Wi-Fi networks, it's really important for me. As a bonus, I can also enjoy pretty much any content that I want on streaming platforms such as Netflix.
See, Breaking Bad isn't available in Australia, France, or the UK. I tried. But if I switch over to Austria, it is available. And I can watch. And I have been watching. Finally, I haven't watched it. So yeah, I just jump into Surfshark and change my location to Austria within like 20 seconds, not even that. I can come back in and it shows up. It's perfect.
It's such a cheap investment, and as a special nod of appreciation to you guys and for their special Black Friday sale, Surfshark are offering up 85% off their normal price and an extra 3 months for free, just by using the code BROCCOLI when you order. You can check it out via the link in the description below. You guys have heard me talk about localism before and how it can be a good thing. If the locals behave in a certain way, then that tends to drip down the lineup. So when you have people like who were out there this morning, then that tends to drip feed through the lineup, and that embeds itself within the culture, the microculture of the lineup. Whereas if you have locals who are probably going to be on the best waves because they know the spot really well, but also enforcing and exemplifying good etiquette, can be tough etiquette, but good etiquette, then that tends to, again, integrate itself throughout the lineup. Yeah, it tends to just sort of ruin it. And I don't think anyone really had a great time out there this morning. So yeah. You! Act natural. Oh, we just went and had a coffee, come back, and the tide's just started pushing in. Massive tide today. So even though there's a couple of closeouts, we can see like the potential for some insane peaks and tubes. I hope I'm not overstating it. I'm not like coffeeed up and too excited. It looks really fun. I'm just expecting that tide to come in really fast. So that's the rule here. If it looks almost good, you got to get ready and go out. If it looks good, you're too late. Well, it seems to be the rule on my Europe trip. Conditions look great, potential's high, and then as soon as I get out there it changes. Like this onshore wind fluffed up, and then it went glassy, but it was like a really lumpy, ugly, moody glassy. I feel like I made the most of it. In the broader scheme of things, it doesn't really matter. I still had a good session. I feel like I was in the zone too. I just needed some more waves, but it doesn't always happen like that. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, let me know in the comments. If you ever been here before, where are you guys surfing at the moment? You can join me and the Surfers Roadmap on Instagram. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks Surfshark for making this trip possible. You.